How to remove a payment method from the Google Play Store. This quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to delete a credit card, debit card, or other saved payment method from your Google Play account. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. Scroll down and choose More Payment Settings. This will open your Google Payment Settings page. After, you may not see a remove option for your payment method. If that's the case, don't worry. You can still manage or remove your payment method through your device settings. Simply follow the steps shown on the screen. As you can see in the screenshots, this method allows you to access your Google Payment settings and remove the card or payment method linked to your account. Just follow each step carefully and you'll be able to manage your payment method successfully. That's all it takes to remove a payment method from the Google Play Store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Play Store tips and Android tutorials.